One of the biggest misconceptions in programming is building a big project from scratch that it takes 2 hours and 3 hours like you see online on YouTube. And the truth is, it doesn't take that 2 hours, it takes a lot than that. Besides, it can take you like a week or maybe some months to even build a big project. Hi, I'm Johnny and I'm a full stack developer and I'm building an app from scratch. So I feel like this is the best time to tell a lot of people what they think is the truth about coding or building a big project. The truth is, it doesn't take 3 hours. It doesn't take 2 hours or maybe 4 to build, as you see in tutorials on YouTube. Examples are the YouTube clones, the TikTok clones, the Facebook clones, and other social media clones that are being built in 3 or 4 hours on YouTube tutorials. The truth is, it took them more than that. It took them days to even build that, but they are showing 3 hours so that this seems to be a little bit simple, or they are trying to make their video straight to the point so that you will understand and follow. But behind the scenes, it takes a lot than that. In fact, even the live coding and the stuff that you see online, it takes some 5 hours or 4 hours or 3 hours to build that YouTube clone or TikTok clone or any other clone or big project they are building. Behind the scenes, they've already built that already, and they know the code to input for it to work without any kind of bugs or error. So they've already solved that errors. They solve the bugs, they solve everything that will potentially arrive or which has already arrived, and they are showing you the finished product. So in your mind, you think they are building with you from scratch, but they've already done it. The truth is, they've done it already. They've built it some couple of times, they've tested it and know that this actually works, and it's not something that they are going to present outside and it's not going to work, or they are going to present outside and it's time for them to face bugs, because searching for results or facing a bug can take even 3 hours of the whole full video. So if you think it takes 3 hours to build, it takes a lot than 3 hours. And I'm not trying to tell you this to make you feel scared or to limit you in building what you want to build. You have to build it now. You have to start right now, because it's not going to take that short period that you are thinking of. You have to start building now. And in building it, what I usually do, and I'm still doing, is to break them into smaller components or smaller tasks. Let me use Facebook as an example. If you want to build a Facebook clone, you need a lot of things to do. You need to handle authentication, you need to handle the post viewing, you need to handle the search bar, and even under the post viewing, there are a lot like liking system, the sharing, the comment. So breaking this into smaller pieces and tackling them one after the other, maybe spending like a day on it, or how long it's going to take you on it, you're going to see it's much more easier to build small component than trying to visualize the whole big thing and build it out. Every programmer, every developer, every tutorial people out there on YouTube knows this, that you can't build this in 3 or 4 hours. It takes a couple of weeks or even a month to build a big project. Don't worry yourself too much, because in the nick of time you'll see that the more you do, it becomes part of you, and you'll be able to build that component that took you 2 days to build in some couple of hours, and you see, yeah, I'm improving. So once again, my name is Johnny and I'm out.